Ready to simplify your small business payroll? Wondering how to set up your payroll accounts and funding methods in Wave? Well, you've come to the right place. In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process, making sure you're ready to pay your team with ease. First things first, let's get your accounts set up. Log into your Wave account and navigate to the payroll section. From there, select Settings. You'll see an option for accounts. This is where you'll link the accounts that Wave will use for your payroll transactions. You'll need two types of accounts, a payroll bank account and an expense account. The payroll bank account is where the funds will be withdrawn from to pay your employees and any payroll taxes. The expense account, on the other hand, is a record-keeping account for your payroll expenses. Now, let's connect your bank account. In the payroll bank account field, you'll need to select your business checking account from the drop-down list. If you don't see it, you'll have to link it first. To do this, go to the accounting section, then integrations, and follow the steps to connect your bank. Once connected, you can return to the payroll settings and select the correct account. For the payroll expense account, you can choose an existing account like wages and salaries, or create a new one to keep your payroll costs organized. It's a good practice to have a dedicated account for this. Next, we'll set up the funding method. This is a crucial step that authorizes Wave to withdraw funds from your bank account to cover payroll and tax payments. In the same settings area, look for the Funding Methods tab. Here, you'll need to provide your business's bank account information. You can do this by entering your routing and account numbers manually or by using an instant verification service. Be sure to double-check that the information is accurate to avoid any delays or errors in processing payroll. Once entered, Wave will verify the account, which might take a day or two. Once your funding method is verified, you're all set. You've successfully linked your bank accounts and authorized Wave to manage your payroll payments. This setup is a one-time process, and once it's done, you'll be able to run payroll smoothly, with Wave handling all the heavy lifting, from calculating wages to paying taxes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.